Hi guys, so I want to show you today how to make a chuck roast in a Dutch oven. So it's like enameled. Okay, so we're gonna start with that, and that's the cover. This is by Food Network if you're interested. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking a 3-pound chuck roast. Okay, we're gonna center inside the pot. Then we're gonna take, give me 1 second with that, 2 medium onions. I just cut it into 4 and I slice it. I like big pieces. Okay, so we're gonna drop it into our pot, put it around the roast. Okay, if you like smaller pieces, you're welcome to do that. This is how I like mine. Okay, then I have 3 russet potatoes. I cut it in half and then cut it in this kind of sizes as well, not too small. Okay, so you're gonna push it down to get everything in. Then I have 2 garlic cloves. They're just sliced across, 2 large ones. One whole celery stalk, and I cut it into 3. Okay, I'm gonna stick it in here. And then I have 16 white mushrooms. I'm putting it whole as well. This is the way I like it. Again, if you feel like you wanna make it smaller pieces, that's fine. I like it this way. You feel like you want to adjust anything and cut it smaller, you're welcome to do that. This is just the way I do it. So once we have that, I'm gonna show you a trick that I use for my roast. Basically, I do a Bigelow lemon lift decaffeinated tea. I mean, for this one, I can do other teas. And basically, I steep it with hot water. And then I take out, obviously, the tea bag. And I pour that over. That's a cup there. Next, I have 4 cups of water here. So I'm going to put that in here. Okay. So it should be good. Okay. So let's first add some of the spices. I'm going to try to push it in to room for the mushrooms here. Okay. Now, I use kosher salt, so I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. Again, you can do the salt and the pepper to your taste. This is how much I think is needed for my recipe. Okay. This is my pepper. So this is what I'm going to do. Also to taste, I use 2 tablespoons. This one I will just sprinkle to the much I need. Okay. So this is good enough because I'll be using the lemon pepper. And then I'm going to use lemon pepper, 2 of 1.5 teaspoons. Okay. Then I have ground mustard. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of this. Then I'm going to put in chili powder, 1 teaspoon. That. And the last thing I'll be using is dill seeds. They give great flavor in the food. So 1/2 teaspoon of that. So we have a little bit of water left from the 4 cups. I'm going to just spill it over here, pour it over here on top to get all the spices that are stuck. Okay, that's it. So you're gonna cook it on a low flame for about 2 hours. Then you're gonna check on it. So I suggest budgeting for 2 to 3 hours, and you would check in between. It's gonna be low flame. So after 2 hours, if it's ready, if it's getting closer, you can open up the cover for a little bit and leave it, cook it on cover for the rest of the time. So 2 hours, you want to keep it covered. You want everything to get really like tender and ready inside. So 2 hours for sure, keep it covered. And then after that, you will see based on how tender it is, till the end of cooking time, you could keep it open, and then from there on, just enjoy it. So thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.